How to enable or disable full screen mode on Google Chrome. Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to get to the full screen mode on Google Chrome. But before getting started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. So let's get into the video. The very first thing you need to do here is a keyboard shortcut, and that is to press F11 on your keyboard. In some computer, it's function plus F11, so you will see the little FN button, and then press F11. Then what it will do is it will take your screen to full screen mode like this, and if you want to exit again, you can just press it again. So let me show you on the keyboard. Here you will find the function key on the keyboard right besides the control. Sometimes it's here, sometimes it's here. It depends on what model of laptop or computer you have. And if you press function plus F11 on top of your screen, just press that. And after doing so, you should be able to enter the full screen mode. So let me show you right here. I'm just going to press function plus F11. And it will take me to the full screen mode. And if I just press it again, I'm going to come out of the full screen mode right here. So that's how you do it. The other way to do it is to press these three lines at the top right. And here you will see the zoom option in the plus and minus. And at the right side of it, you will see this full screen icon. Just press on it and you'll be able to enter the full screen mode. So that's how you do it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.